In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Firefox save passwords so you can log in faster and keep your browsing experience more convenient. If you've been wondering why Firefox isn't asking to save your login details, or you just want to make sure password saving is turned on, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple setting, but it can save you time every single day when you sign in to your favorite websites. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox Preferences page where you can manage your privacy, security, and autofill options. Once the settings page opens, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is the area that controls how Firefox handles saved logins and form information. Now in this section, make sure you tick Ask to Save Passwords. This tells Firefox to prompt you whenever you enter a username and password on a website, so you can choose to save it for future use. Next, tick Save and Autofill usernames and passwords. This option allows Firefox to store your login information and automatically fill it in the next time you visit the same site. When both of these options are enabled, Firefox becomes much more useful for managing your accounts and speeding up sign-ins. After turning those settings on, you can simply close the Settings tab. From now on, when you log into a website, Firefox should ask whether you want to save the password, and it will also be able to autofill your saved usernames and passwords when needed. If you ever want to double check whether a password was saved, you can return to the same passwords and autofill section and review your saved entries there. And that's it. You've now enabled password saving in Firefox in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.